Hey, Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic. What I'm doing today is bringing you some pictures from the hybrid battery training that I had at Automotive Career Development Center, ACDC for short, in Worcester, Mass. The reason I wanted to come for the hybrid battery training, just to know more about them, and one of the reasons is you're someone who regularly watches my channel, then you would know I have a Chevy Volt with some codes, and I've been trying to figure those out. Because I'm not really familiar with electric vehicles, I am having some problems trying to figure out the codes. So I talked to Mr. Craig Van Battenberg, who is the owner and CEO of this company, about coming up for the hybrid battery training. And I told him about the problem with my Volt. He told me he would be more than happy to help me try and diagnose my Chevy Volt. So that's why I'm here. Hopefully, there's future video coming on doing that fixing of the Volt and finding the codes. So that's going to come in the next couple days. But for right now, this is just some photos of the hybrid battery training that we had. They didn't want me to take full videos because of some of the proprietary information that they would be showing that they didn't want to get out there on the internet. So hopefully we can diagnose the Volt and find out what's going on with that here in the near future, and we will show you some videos of that. But for now, enjoy the photos that I have put up. So this picture is just a picture of my Volt in the garage as we were doing some training with that and showing some things. The next one is hooking up to a Nissan Leaf that's on the rack to do some diagnostics tests to the battery and the vehicle. That's a possum hiding up there that had his teeth showing. I don't know how well it'll show up, but it was interesting. He was caught in the Nissan Leaf. This is hooking some stuff up to do the actual testing on the Leaf. And this is Matt just giving some instruction on the class. He was an instructor who came in. This is actually the owner and CEO, Craig Van Battenberg, giving instructions also to us. This is a picture of the Nissan Leaf on the rack. And the next picture is the one I did a live video of. If you want to see that, I'll put a link here of the Nissan Leaf battery taken out of the car and the top taken off. So that's what I wanted to show you today. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you sort of enjoyed this. There should be more to come on the Volt. I hope so. If not, I'll let you know why. But that is the plan. Thank you for watching.